What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. It's your good heart VA Simon once again, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in our channel, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. For those who are new here, you can subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful and get updated on the latest posts we share here from time to time by turning on your notifications. When we talk about speed, who or what comes first in your mind? Me? I immediately think of the superheroes like Superman, Dash of the Incredibles, and Flash. They all acquire the same superpower, which is super speed. Speed is defined as the rate of change of position of an object in any direction. These three superheroes can move the fastest, and when they move and use this superpower, you can only see the wind they pass moving or their shadows moving fast towards a direction. In this design, this movement or motion is what I want to picture out. To start, here is the sample that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design editor. Go to Photos and search for Man Runner running, jogger, jogging, isolated. I'll scroll down and I'm gonna pick this one. Same keyword as what I mentioned. Removing the image background is the next step. Using this image, go to Edit Image and click Background Remover. If you are a Pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under Edit Image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. I will put in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Before clicking the apply, I will check the image if there are areas to be restored or erased. In this photo, I will use the restore tool because I will restore certain portions on his shoes here that has been erased. After this, I will click Done and Apply. I will duplicate this page with the image. And using the image in this duplicated page, I will rotate it 90 degrees clockwise like this. You'll know the reason why I rotated the image in this position later. I will position it at the bottom area of the page. Then again, I'll duplicate once more this page for later use, and the next step is I will duplicate the image 5 times to make it 6. So I will duplicate it. Okay, for the first duplicate, I will change the transparency of this to 85. Then I'll position it at the back of the original image. I'm gonna repeat the same process with the other 4 duplicates. and I will change the transparency and lower the transparency amount in increment of 15. So the next duplicate, I will change the transparency of this to 70 and I'll send it to back. I'll duplicate again, position it here, and I'll change the transparency of this to 55. Then send to back. I'll duplicate again. This is the 5th image and I will change the transparency of this to 40. Then send to back. Then for the 5th duplicate, the 6th of the images, I'll position it here and I'll change the transparency of this one to 25. Then position it to back. To make the distance of these images perfect, I will use the tidy up feature, select them all, and click on tidy up at the position section. After that, I will download this page as a PNG with transparent background. And then I will upload it back to Canva. After that, I will create another page. But first, I'll delete this page first. Then I'll create a new page. This one. And I will drag here the PNG image I uploaded. Now, I'm going to create the speed motion effect. Using this image, go to edit image. Scroll down to find the liquify effect. Then click see all. Let's just wait for it to load. And under liquify, apply the spin feature. This, and let's change the settings. Adjust the amount to 0.02, position 0.2. This is now the reason why I rotated the image. It's because when you apply the liquify spin effect, the position matters. The liquify effect is more intense at the topmost part or the bottommost part. Let's wait for the effect to load. Now that I achieved the effect I want, I will rotate it back to its original position by rotating it counterclockwise this time. 90 degrees. Next, I will use the image in the duplicated pages I set aside a while ago. I will copy or drag the original image, this one, and overlay it at the topmost part of the multiple images which I applied the effect. Here, I will resize it and position it here. On the other image I set aside, let's go to that page. I will now download this image as a PNG with a transparent background. And after it, I will upload it back to Canva. I'll delete this page. I'll delete this page to avoid confusion. Now, using the recent uploaded image we uploaded, I will create another page and drag it here, the image I uploaded, and apply the same settings of the speed motion effect, which I did a while ago. So, using this image, go to edit image, scroll down to find the liquify effect. Under liquify, see all, and apply the spin feature. This. Change the setting again. Adjust the amount to 0.02, position 0.2. Now I will rotate it counterclockwise or 90 degrees. Using this image, go to edit image, click adjust, see all, and find blur, change the settings to 15. Then change its transparency to 60. I will now copy this image or drag it and overlay it on the original and topmost part to create an aura of movement in this design. So the tip here is to position it at the middle of the original image and the next image behind. As my final touch, let me select them all and group them. As my final touch, I will put a realistic background that suits to this design. Go to Photos, search for the keyword Dark Gradient, Motion Blur. Hit enter, and this is one of the depth search keyword that you can find in Canva Deep. In finding keywords, you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to search and find it. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stock Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. So, I'll choose this one. I will use a specific one with a particular keyword, modern abstract motion blurred background. Then, I will set this image as my background. This is now the final result of the speed motion effect I created in Canva. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your Good Heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky, God Sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.